Hello everyone! Welcome to today's science lesson. In this video, we're going to explore the basic components of an electronic circuit and learn what each one does. If you've ever wondered how electronic devices work, from your TV remote to a simple flashlight, this is the perfect place to start. Every electronic circuit is made up of small parts called components, and each of these components has a specific job. Today, we'll break down 8 essential ones: LEDs, diodes, resistors, capacitors, inductors, batteries, switches, and transistors. Let's get started. First, LED, light-emitting diode. An LED is a special type of diode that lights up when electricity flows through it. It only allows current to pass in one direction, and when it does, it emits light. LEDs are used in all kinds of devices, like the small lights on your charger, TV indicators, or flashlights. They are energy efficient and last a long time. In a circuit, the positive leg, longer leg, connects to the positive side of the power supply, and the shorter leg goes to the negative. LEDs are also useful in showing whether a device is powered on or working. Remember, if you connect it the wrong way, it won't light up because it only works in one direction. Second, diode. A diode is a component that allows electric current to flow in only one direction. It acts like a one-way gate. This is helpful in protecting circuits from damage caused by current flowing the wrong way. Diodes are found in power supply systems, radios, and chargers. For example, in a phone charger, diodes help convert alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC. Just like the LED, a diode has 2 ends called anode, positive, and cathode, negative, and it only works properly when connected in the right direction. Third, resistor. A resistor is used to control or limit the flow of electric current in a circuit. Think of it like a tap controlling the flow of water. It ensures that other components, like LEDs, do not receive too much current, which could damage them. Resistors are very common and come in different resistance values, measured in ohms, ohm. Each resistor has colored bands that tell you its resistance value. You'll often see resistors placed before LEDs to prevent them from burning out. 4. Capacitor. A capacitor stores electric charge and releases it when needed. It's like a small battery that charges and discharges quickly. Capacitors are used in many electronic devices to smooth out voltage, filter signals, or even keep a device running for a short time after power is off. There are 2 main types: polarized, which have a positive and negative side, and non-polarized. Capacitors come in various shapes and sizes, and their storage strength is measured in farads F, usually in microfarads μF for smaller circuits. 5. Inductor. An inductor is a coil of wire that stores energy in a magnetic field when current flows through it. It resists changes in current, making it useful for filtering and managing current in power supplies, radios, and transformers. Unlike capacitors, which store energy in an electric field, inductors work with magnetic fields. They're often found in the form of coils and are used in circuits where you need to control the speed or direction of changing currents. 6th, battery. A battery is the power source of many electronic circuits. It provides the energy needed to make current flow. Batteries have 2 terminals, positive plus and negative minus. In a circuit, the battery pushes electrons through the wires and components, just like water being pushed through a pipe. Different batteries have different voltages. For example, AA batteries are usually 1.5 volts. Without a power source like a battery, nothing in the circuit would work. 7. Switch. A switch is like a gate in a circuit. It controls the flow of electricity by either opening, breaking the circuit, or closing, completing the circuit. When the switch is on, closed, current flows. When it's off, open, the current stops. Switches are used in almost every electronic device. From light switches at home to buttons on a remote control. They come in many forms, including push buttons, toggles, and slide switches. 8. Transistor. A transistor is one of the most important components in electronics. It can amplify electrical signals or act as a switch to control large amounts of current with a small one. Transistors have 3 parts: collector, base, and emitter. When a small current flows into the base, it allows a larger current to flow from the collector to the emitter. This is how tiny signals, like the one from your microphone, can be turned into louder sound in speakers. Transistors are used in computers, radios, amplifiers, and almost all modern electronics. And that brings us to the end of our lesson. These 8 components, LEDs, diodes, resistors, capacitors, inductors, batteries, switches, and transistors, are the building blocks of electronic circuits. Understanding what each one does helps you build, test, and troubleshoot real circuits. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your knowledge, knowing these components is a great foundation for exploring the amazing world of electronics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next science lesson. See you next time.